Accessing applications as a reviewer and reviewing them within the Common Grant application is very easy. Once you've logged in, you'll be on this dashboard page, which presents you a list of applications that are currently under review and applications that have been approved. Generally, you will probably be looking at applications under review, so you can simply click this link to get a list of all the applications that are currently in review status. Once you have done so, you can see that there is a list here. There are several options for filtering this list. If you want to look at a specific program, you have that option here, as well as checking for a specific grant cycle. You can also, as you can see, filter for date range, as well as searching on the applicant name. Once you've done that, you can click search, and that will narrow down the list for you. So let's say that we wanted to look at just the municipal housing affordability applications. So we would go ahead and do that, and we see that there are 2 applications in the system. At this point, you can review any of the applications listed by clicking on the linked application number right here. So if we wanted to review this application, as you can see, we are now in the application. This first page is a status summary page that gives you a brief overview of the application, including the applicant, a little map of where they're located, the amount that they've requested, etc. And then you can use these links here on the left side to review each page of the application and what the applicant has submitted. Also, if you prefer, you can click this PDF download button, and it will generate a PDF document that contains the entire application if you prefer to look at it all at once or to print it out and review it that way. Please contact us at support@commongrantapplication.com if you have any questions, and enjoy your review process. Thank you.